type tool that is used to add text in Photoshop or in any photograph or in the blank stage, or you want to create some logos, you want to write some alphabets, okay, in various designs that you can do with the help of type tool. Here in the toolbox, you will see there is a type tool. Click on this T, which is in the shape of T. In it, there is a horizontal type tool and vertical type tool. Horizontal type tool and vertical type tool की shortcut key है T. And when you take one type tool and you want to switch to another, कि मैंने horizontal ले लिया, but I want to switch to vertical, you can use the shortcut key Shift plus T. Underline on page number 73. Press T key to activate the type tool or to select the type tool, and Shift plus T to switch between horizontal and vertical type. Okay, now I'm going to select this type tool. Click on the area where you want to. Click on the area where you want to type the text. Cursor will appear. Type the text. Suppose I am going to write good morning. Now, as you will see, there is a type tool I had used. I typed the text in the layers panel. There is a separate layer for text too. So, मैंने text लिखा है, that is written on a separate layer. That means whatever effects I give to the type tool, colors, changes, blur, या जो भी effect मैं दूँ, will apply only to the text, only to the type that I had written. Okay, but it will not apply to the background image. Okay. Now I can use the move tool to move this text also. Click on the move tool. You can move the text. Then there are various options which are given on the type tool. For type tool, various options are given in the option bar, like here. Font, bold, italic, regular. You can select the text. You can change the font. Okay. Then you can change the font color. Some basic options are given on the option bar, but various other options are given. Some in this one, size, font size. You can type it or you can type the size also. ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे click करके, then you can have the center align, then you can have the color of the font. Click on OK. ठीक है, clear है? Now many other options are available. Here it is a type. जैसे clone की properties हमने use करी थी, वैसे यहाँ पे character properties are there. Character properties are there. Ninth A class, your period is 5th period. It's 3rd period है बेटा, ये 3rd period आपका कंप्यूटर का नहीं है. कंप्यूटर का पीरियड 5th है, 9th A class. Okay. Now here you can see there is a font. Okay, regular, bold, under, italic. Then there is a text. Font size. You can click here and drag it to increase the font size and decrease the font size. Or you can type the font size here. Suppose I am typing 120. Okay, whenever we change the size of the font, height and width both changes. दोनों चीजें change होती है. Height भी change होती है, width भी change होती है. Okay, you can use the move tool, place it. Then you can change the color. There is a character spacing option is also there. Character spacing option क्या करती है आपकी? It will increase or decrease the space in between the characters. Place your pointer here. You can drag it. See, increase the size spacing between characters. And if you go to the minus, it will decrease like this. Minus में चले जाएंगे, overlap करना शुरू कर देगा. Like this. Clear? You can type it also. यहाँ पे click करके choose कर सकते हो, or you can type the value also. Suppose 50. Okay. You can drag it or you can type it. Both the things can be done. Clear? Then scaling. Scaling का मतलब when you increase the font size or decrease the font size, height or width both changes. अब मैं चाह रही हूँ कि मेरा width इतनी रहे but height change हो जाए. Width ना change हो, जब मैं font size change करूँगी तो width भी change होगी. I do not want to change the width. I want to change only the height. So here it is a vertical space. आपकी है scaling. By default यहाँ पे 132 लिखा हुआ है. You can have any other. आप type कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. देखो हाइट इंक्रीज हो रही है. चेक इट. हो रही है. ठीक है. दिस इज वर्टिकल स्केलिंग. कम या ज्यादा करनी है. दैट इज वर्टिकल स्केलिंग. क्लियर? स्केलिंग क्लियर है. कलर ले सकते हो. सिमिलरली हॉरिजॉन्टल स्केलिंग, ओनली इंक्रीजिंग द विड्थ, नॉट द कैरेक्टर स्पेसिंग बट विड्थ. विड्थ इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. ओके. नाउ देयर इज अ बोल्ड, इटैलिक, options, capital, caps lock, small caps, superscript, subscript, underline, strike through. Options are there. You can use any option. Recess में क्यों नहीं? Period start. Period start. Okay, now. हाँ जी, type tool is clear. Okay, now come to the vertical. There is a vertical type tool also. You can choose a vertical type tool. Click here, and whatever you will type, that will go to the vertical side. Now you can see in the layers panel, there is a separate layer now. Again, every time you type the tool, type the text, or every time you add a new shape, or every time you add any new object, that will be inserted on a new layer. Okay. Now, wrapping text. There is one more option, wrapping text. I'm selecting this layer, click on it, text tool. I'm selecting this text, and on the option bar, you will see there is a wrap text option, wrapping styles option. जैसे आपके पास word art के options होते थे, that is there. Okay. Now, wrap text. None, arc, arc lower, arc upper, bulge, fish, rise, fisheye, inflate, squeeze. These are the various types. Arc upper. Now see, horizontal, vertical. Both are there. Vertical. Arc किस side पे चाहिए? Then bulge. Horizontal or vertical. Then fisheye, like this. Okay, horizontal or vertical. Then bend. What should be the bend? आप bend change कर सकते हो, कम या ज्यादा कर सकते हो. Distortion, horizontally or vertically. You can adjust the things here. Okay, with any effect, किसी भी effect में. Inflate. Then bend कितना चाहिए? Horizontal, vertical, both the things you can do. Click on OK. Clear? Type tool is clear. Wrap text options are clear. Underline कर लो. Type tool is used to add text in an image. ठीक है. Wrapping is used to position the letters or text in a different shape. Okay, next is your shapes tool. Shapes tool is used to insert the various types of shapes. Like we have the various shapes in other graphic softwares also, like rectangle, square, ellipse, circle, line. Here in the shapes tool, you will find the shapes: rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line tool. You can choose any and you can draw. See, shape. Now in the layers panel again, in a different layer, separate layer is there. Again, if I'm drawing something else, I'm choosing some rounded rectangle. It will be in different shape. चाहे overlap कर रहा है, but वो अलग shape में अलग layer पे है. Now in the option bar, in the upper देखो, there is a fill color. Choose the fill color. Then there is a stroke line. Stroke की width कितनी होनी? Then there is a line style. Okay, and then there is a stroke color. You can have the stroke color also. Similarly, select the polygon layer. Now polygon is selected. Now you can give another color. Give the polygon stroke color. Okay. Now you can see there are options. Say solid color, gradients, or textures. You can have them also. Fill में भी है, stroke में भी है. आप stroke में भी ले सकते हो, fill में भी ले सकते हो. Both are things. So gradients. I'm taking the gradients. Then I'm taking the stroke as a texture. You can take the stroke as a texture. You can increase the width of the stroke. Clear? You can move it, or you can press Ctrl plus T to increase or decrease the size. If you want to send it back, अगर आपको इनका order change करना है, तो क्या करेंगे? Change the order of layers by dragging. Send it back. Okay. Now, order change कर दो layers का, objects का order change हो जाएगा. हाँ जी, is it clear? Any doubt? Avdi, Somil, Manasvi, Khyati, any doubt, beta?
Ma'am, no.
Okay. Now last is shapes में आपके पास एक last option है custom shape. Custom shape. When I click on custom shape, I get a few shapes in here. मेरे पास यहाँ पे कुछ shapes आ रही हैं. I can choose any shape and I can draw it. Okay, जो by default पहले हमारी last आपका stroke और fill option select हुई है, that is going to apply. You can have any shape from here.
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम इसके बाद टेक्स्ट टूल एक बार फिर करवा दोगे? मैं सुन नहीं पाया था. मैम टेक्स्ट टूल
अभी तो करवाया बेटा.
मैं लेट ज्वाइन हुआ था.
Why late join हुआ था? We are supposed to do layers, adjustments, many things. Should be on time then. Okay, change the stroke. Fill color ले सकते हैं stroke के लिए. Gradients ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. Then you can add more shapes. Like जैसे हमने texture add किए थे कल. Similarly, you can add more shapes. Click here. These are the various categories of shape. Top bulb, symbol, ornaments, objects, nature, light bulb, frames, banners, artistic textures. Click on any. It will ask you replace the current shapes or append. I'm saying append. Now down. नीचे देखो. Add हो गए हैं. Textures add हो गए हैं. You can click on any texture and drag it. ठीक है. You can have it as a background. Texture use किया. Okay. Many textures are available. Like this. You can change the order by changing. Every time I'm drawing a shape, there is a separate layer. Okay. You can change the order of the shapes. I'm dragging it, sending it to back. Clear? ये देखो उसके बैक चला गया. Clear है shapes tool? Okay, underline कर लो. Shapes tool is used to add different types of shapes, filled or unfilled, both ellipse, polygons or custom shapes. Then viewing tool. Viewing tools कौन से होते हैं? To view the object, zoom करना है या zoom out करना है, zoom in or zoom out. You can have the zoom tool. Select the zoom tool in the tools panel. Now in the option bar there is two options, zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in, click. Zoom in. Okay. If you want to focus on a particular object, particular area in the image, you can zoom in. You can select zoom out and click. It will zoom out. Okay, shortcut key control plus keyboard पे. Control plus, control minus or zoom out. Control plus, control minus. Now second is hand tool. Hand tool. Rajat, you are not underlining the shortcut key. You are not underlining the menu also. Shortcut keys are given on page number 75. Use control plus to zoom in, control minus to zoom out. You can write it in your rough copy. Now, zoom tool lets you to zoom in by clicking the tool on the image to see the magnified areas, or by pressing the Alt key on the keyboard by clicking on the image. That's जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया, we can use a scroll button. Then shortcut key control plus and control minus. Then there is a hand tool to move the image while it is zoomed in. मुझे इस एरिया पे आना है. I can move the picture by using the hand tool like this. यहाँ पे मूव टूल काम नहीं करेगा. ये पूरी इमेज को मूव कर रहे हैं, एक ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव नहीं कर रहे हैं, है ना. इसके ऊपर कोई टेक्स्ट टूल को मूव कर रहा है तो we will use the tool, but we are moving the whole image while it is zoomed in. Zoom हुई है इमेज. ठीक है, तो मुझे किसी एक स्क्रॉल करने से बेटर है, स्क्रॉल बार्स यूज करने से बेटर है. आई विल यूज द हैंड टूल to zoom in, to move the image which is not visible at once, like this. Yeah. Okay. While the image is zoomed in, you can move the image by holding down the spacebar key. The current icon will change to a hand tool. That means अगर मेरी image zoom in, I want to select the hand tool either by clicking or by pressing spacebar key. ठीक है? Clear? Okay. Next is using the image menu. Image menu. And before that, one more option is there. When we are using the text tool, we may need to sometimes check the spelling. Maybe spelling check ज़्यादा text है या किसी word के spelling check करने की whether they are right or wrong. You can check the spelling by clicking on Edit menu, check spelling option. Edit menu, check spelling option. Underline करो. Underline. Edit menu, check spelling option. Clear? Now, adjustment options. Image menu, adjustment options. Click on image menu, adjustments. There are various types of adjustments available. Various types of adjustments available, but presently we are going to do only hue, saturation and variation. Two adjustments we will do, hue, saturation and variations. Click on hue and saturation. Here you can set the hue. Hue means colors. You can change the colors of the image and you can change the intensity of the color. Saturation means intensity of the colors. Hue means colors. Now I will move this bar. You will see the effect in image. आपको image में उसका effect नजर आएगा. पूरी image के color change हो रहे हैं. Hue change हो रहा है. Clear? Then you can have the saturation. Intensity of the colors. ये देखो light हो रहे हैं colors. Then lightness and darkness. Like this. Okay? Clearer? Hue and saturation, you can adjust the colors of the image and intensity of the colors. Click on OK if you want to apply. Suppose this is an image. I'm going to click on image menu, adjustment, hue or saturation. Underline the menu command. What is the menu command to open the hue and saturation dialog box? Image menu, adjustment, sub option, hue and saturation. Hue dash saturation. Shortcut key Control plus U. Underline Control plus U. Again. See, पीछे देखो कलर्स, टेंट का कलर देखो चेंज हो रहा है, पीछे स्काई का कलर भी चेंज हो रहा है. ठीक है. Similarly, then you can change the saturation levels. Then you can change the lightness or darkness. Okay. Then there is second option, image menu, adjustments, variation. Variations में you will see the various variations in the dialog box only. आपको पहले ही dialog box में preview आ रहा है कौन कौन से variations available है. You can select the variation that you want. More green, more yellow, more cyan. These are the options. If I click more cyan, so it will give you like this. More red, more magenta, more blue, or more yellow. This is the lighter, this is the darker. Which option you want to select, you can click. More greens. Okay, more blue. Click on OK. You will see the difference. Variations in the colors. Suppose I'm coming back to this image. I'm clicking on image menu, adjustments, then variations. Now, more greens like this, more yellow, more red, then more cyan. Changes नजर आ रहे हैं? Original और current पे यहाँ पे देखो comparison आ रहा है. ठीक है, more green करेंगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, yellow करेंगे तो ये difference आएगा. Click on OK if you want to apply. Lighter or darker. Click on OK, that will be applied. Underline that menu command, image menu, adjustment option, variations. Image menu, adjustment option, variations. Then there is a dodge and burn tool. Image menu, adjustment option, then variation option. Then there are two more tools to darken or lighten the areas of the image. यहाँ पर हम जो कर रहे हैं that is applying to the whole image. But मुझे कुछ selected area या कुछ parts को dark या light करना है. सारी image को नहीं करना है. Then you will use a dodge or burn tool. In the tools panel, dodge and burn tool. Dodge tool will lighten the areas of image. Burn tool will darken the areas of image. Underline page number 75. Dodge tool is used to lighten the areas. Burn tool is used to darken the areas. Now I'm taking the burn tool and I'm doing it, applying it here. You can see. These are size of brush. Now you can see. ये देखो डार्क हो रहा है, डिफरेंस नजर आ रहा है. ठीक है, आई एम टेकिंग सम अनदर इमेज, और इमेज ले लेते हैं, इसमें आपको ज्यादा नजर आएगा. This one, this darken नजर आ रहा है. ठीक है, सपोज दिस वन, ये देखो स्काई को डार्क कर दिया. ठीक है, सिमिलर नाउ यू कैन सी द साइज ऑफ ब्रश. आप इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर सकते हो. विच की आई शुड प्रेस टू हाइड द साइज ऑफ द ब्रश? कब साइज नजर नहीं आता है, कौन सी की प्रेस करने पे नजर नहीं आता है? if the caps lock key is on. मैंने caps lock key on कर दी है. Now you will see. यहाँ पे मेरे को सिर्फ plus sign नजर आ रहा है. Brush का size नजर नहीं आ रहा है. मैं increase करूँ, मैं decrease करूँ, it is not visible. If I again press the caps lock key, off कर देते हैं, you will see the brush size. Caps lock key on होगी तो brush size नजर नहीं आएगा. Only plus symbol will be there. If the caps lock key is off, then brush size will be visible. Okay. Now I'm taking the lighten, dodge, lighten करने areas. See. Clear? Clear है? हाँ जी. Online class. Any doubt? जितने एरिया पे अप्लाई करेंगे उतना एरिया लाइट हो जाएगा. सपोज जैसे ये वाले एरिया डार्क था,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
लाइट हो गया. यस.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैम बुक में बर्न टूल और डॉज टूल नहीं है.
दियो है पेज नंबर 75. नो द इफेक्ट. पेज नंबर 75. नो द इफेक्ट. बॉक्स में देखो. मिला?
यस मैम.
ओके. हाँ जी. टूल्स आर क्लियर. एनी डाउट? All the tools are clear now. Okay. Now come to the layers. What are layers? We are using layers here by using the shape. When हमने shapes use करी है, type tool use किया है, layers use कर रहे हैं. Layers क्या है? Transparent sheets. Layers are transparent sheets that will hold the various objects. And each object can be manipulated, can be formatted separately without affecting the other. ठीक है. एक चीज में अगर मैंने लेयर में यहाँ पे कुछ इरेज किया है, इट डजंट मीन कि बैकग्राउंड में उसके कुछ दूसरी लेयर में इरेज होगा. तो इट विल इफेक्ट.
Ma'am, voice is lagging.
यस.
Yes, your voice is lagging.
ओके. नाउ इट इज ऑडिबल.
Ma'am, voice is lagging very
Now
much.
it is audible. Okay, layers are transparent sheets that will hold the objects, underline the definition, and they are stacked on the top of each other. We can edit the each and separate layer, each and separate object on a separate layer without affecting the other objects, like we were dealing with these shapes. Okay, now adding a new layer. There are 3 methods to add a new blank layer. Blank layer new insert करने के 3 methods हैं. One is new layer button in the layers panel. See, create a new layer button in the layers panel at the bottom. Delete layer भी है. If you want to delete any object, you can click on the layer and you can click on delete layer button. It will delete the layer. Layer delete हो गई तो that means उस layer का object भी delete हो गया. एक object है तो ज़्यादा object है तो it will be deleted. Insert करने के लिए click on create a new layer button. Blank layer will be inserted. Here layer 1 is inserted. This is blank. Or you can click on layer menu, new option, layer sub option. When you write the menu command, please put arrow, layer menu, new, then again arrow, then layer option. Many of the students do this mistake. वो क्या कर रहे हैं? Layer menu लिख के new layer option लिख देते हैं. It's not new layer option. It is new option, then arrow, layer option. Okay. Third method, shortcut key, shift plus control plus N, underline. Page number 77, tip दिया हुआ है. You can create a new layer by using the control plus shift plus N. Then adding a new layer में you will write the topic, underline the command, layer menu, new, then layer option. Then you will get a new layer dialog box. You can give a name to the layer and click on OK. New layer will be inserted. Okay, 3 methods. कौन से हो गए? Repeated. कौन से 3 methods हैं ख्याति? Anyone? Repeat the 3 methods.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Yes, it's lagging.
One is Shift plus Control plus N shortcut key. Second method, new layer button in the layers panel. Create a new layer button in the layers panel. Third method, layer menu, new layer. Okay. Now, similarly, renaming. अगर आपको किसी layer का name change करना है, you can double click on the right, double click on the now.
Ma'am, your voice is still lagging.
But it is
Yes.
audible.
Yes. ma'am.
Okay. Okay, new, if we were on the topic, how to rename a layer, double click on the layer name in the layers panel. Cursor will appear. You can type the name. Suppose I'm saying it is a texture layer. I'm giving it a name as a texture, press enter key. You can give the name, right, double click on the layer and give a name and press enter key. Or delete the layer. Right click on the layer. Right click on the layer
Your
and
voice is lagging.
delete layer option.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Better you can see the steps even. How to delete a layer? Right click on the layer and choose delete layer option to delete the layer. Click on yes, it will delete the layer and as well as the object on that layer. Like this. Okay. Renaming, double click on the layer. Deleting, right click on the layer and choose delete layer option. You can also have the delete layer button in the layers panel. Select the layer and click on delete layer button in the layers panel. Yes, Jayan?
Ma'am, kindly repeat 3 methods to create a new layer.
Better layer menu, new option, layer option. Second method, shortcut key, control plus shift plus N. And third method, new layer button, create a new layer button in the layers panel. Now it is okay. Now is it okay? Now we are left with the exercise and the layer styles. Okay, that we will do tomorrow, most probably. Okay.